Welcome to No Rivets. This is Birdie. I am presenting a 4-part series on the 3-eye atlas, astronomical object. This first session is a general survey. This session was done blind, meaning I did not know what I was mapping, remote viewing, before I started. I didn't find out until I completed 3 particular sessions. I'm going to share all 3 sessions along with the video where I share work from a group of students that I taught several weeks ago in Wilmington, North Carolina. They also looked blindly at 3-eye atlas, and their data reflects many of my data points. Enjoy. Okay. 49526877. Okay. Energetic motion, multiple directions. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Black, green, red, little blue. Energy. Forward, but pitch and yaw. Okay, this is an energy thing. I want to get something more concrete. Okay, 49526788. Okay, structure. Natural. Moving. Cold. Very cold. Can't breathe. Rolling, 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 rolling. That is going to be the theme of this session. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, what is this? It's not a being, but an echo of being. Old, very old, ancient. Okay. Okay, 49526877. This is outside. Cold, pitch dark, rolling, energy, space. This is something in space. Right. Okay, let's okay, I just have to write this down because I keep thinking about my birthday. Why? Why? Well, my birthday is December 7th. That's not why. No. Nothing to do with my birthday. The date, but there's something about my birthday. Okay, we'll come back to that. Let's Let's get like a silvery color. This is space. So let's do, there's stars. And there. It's like particular. Is that like the Dipper? No. Not the Dippers. Yeah. There's a constellation. Am I looking at a constellation? Maybe. It's moving. And there's another one below it. Bigger. On here. Over here. Yeah. I know this. I know this. Oh, I know this. Okay. Let's yes. That's why. It's my birthday. Sagittarius. Okay. Looking at the vastness of space. This one I do not recognize. This one I do not recognize. I don't know what that is. It's constellations. So this is space. This is space. Space. The final frontier. These are the voyages of the TransDimensional Mappers. Okay. Constellation Sagittarius. Why? Why? Am I just looking at this? Looking at space, looking at... No. Origination point. Or... I don't want this color. I want something a little more... Let's do... green. This is like... It seemed to... There's something like this. That marker has seen better days. There's something moving in motion, but it's like a rolling, rolling, rolling. Something moving through space. Moving through space. Okay. Multiple directions. That's this. This is like complicated. Complicated. Is it an orbit? No. Ish. It's like complicated. Complicated motion. I'll leave it at that. There's something here. Hard to see. Far away. Relatively small in space. A spaceship? No. Not a spaceship. Not a UFO. Let's put that on. Not a UFO. There's something. It's natural. Natural. But has something unnatural to it. All right, let's and there's something there. And then let's use like this. Yeah, it's like a comet. Yeah, it's a comet. Like a comet, but unusual. Fast motion. Rolling, rolling, rolling through space. Long time. This is really old. I'm looking at Halley's Comet, Hale-Bopp, stupid Hale-Bopp. No. You've come from here, and it's moving, motion, rolling, rolling, rolling. It's dark, and this is all space. This is all space. Let's give it some space here. Let's help me feel it better. These constellations comes from a direction. It's rolling, rolling. Astronomical. I gotta write that down. Astronomical. Let's make this look more spacey. Oh, it's hot today. Summertime, summertime, summertime. Okay. All right. Doesn't seem that interesting. Let's keep going. Let's do new perspective. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. I am sticking to the seat. New perspective. 49526877. Energy. Motion. Structure. The structure is important. Okay. Space. Velocity. It's too fast in some way. Okay, I'll come back to that. Old, ancient. Can't see it from here. It's this hyperbolic. I keep getting hyperbolic. It's like there's this, let's get a good color here. just use purple, I guess. It's like a... There's this motion. And it's following this motion. Let's draw our little buddy. Moving, rolling. It's moving. It's got a path, but it's very unusual. Unusual path. I feel like I'm missing something here. Okay, let's put this in place. This is a comet, I think. Comet? Why? Icy, cold, motion, natural, astronomical, space, rolling, tumble, moves like a comet, but not like a comet. Let's write that down. All right, let's do another 4, 9, 5, 2, 6, 8, 7, 7. Not this one. All right, this is my ideogram for message. Actually, graffiti. Maybe it's not a comet. Graffiti. Written. Inscribed. All right. Okay, I'm having a hard time with this one. It's like space. And this is what I'm looking at. This. But why? It's just a comet. Well, I guess they're interesting. Let's find out more. Let's, first of all, let's figure out too fast in some way. Let's do some relationships here. What's a relationship between it being too fast? Can't be shifted by sun. It's too big? No, it's too fast. Too fast. Can't be shifted by sun. Okay, old. Yes, ancient. Yes, this is extremely old. Been seen by many across time and space. How old? Oh, well, I guess all these things are really old. It's old. Older than us. Humanity. Earth even. Older than Earth. Far away. Comes from. Whoa, got really dizzy all of a sudden. Dizzy? Why? Yes, I think it's just the space and the tumbling that's making me dizzy. It's older than us. Really old. Really, it's ancient. It's just it has seen so much stuff. It's not technology. It's natural. But it has been touched by technology. Okay, I have to come back to that because I don't get it. Billions of years old. It's lonely somehow. Forgotten. It's like forgotten. It's like it came from somewhere. It originated somewhere. And somebody knew about it at some point along its way. Somebody knew about it. But they are long dead. Okay. Let's get a different pen. Okay. Message. Inscribed is, yeah. There's markings. Markings on it in one location, exterior and interior. Yes, it's deliberate markings. Like Birdie was here. I mean, not literally. I was not there, but it's like somebody signed it. Signed it. Like an artist. Signed it like an artist, but didn't create it. But calculated something. It's too fast. There's something here. It's like it's got like a radial, transverse, vertical, unusual. This is motion. I don't get that so much. Okay, I'm going to move to the object. Okay, let's get a close-up here. This. A bunch of chalk on my hands. Okay, we're moving to the object. Okay. Center like this. And then it's got like things coming out of it, stuff coming. This is like the pen has seen better days. That's okay. Comet. It's a comet-like thing. There it is. Okay. It's not a circle or a sphere. It's elongated. More. Let's see. I don't like that color. I want more brownie. I'm gonna use this. Okay, so it's more. More like that. Okay. Okay, so it's not a sphere, it's elongated. It's rolling around. Like more like tumbling, but rolling. Tumbling through space. And it's going this way, so it gives it this weird motion. Okay. There's a bigger end and a smaller end. This is I can't figure out this. This doesn't make any sense. The inscription is on the bigger end. There's an inscription on the bigger end. It says, who was there? Some kind of thing inside. Like a cross section. There's one small part with something embedded. Yeah, it's like somewhere around here. All right. What is this? This is, it's this technological. This is why it felt weird. One small piece. Like the size of like a thumb drive. It's not a thumb drive, but it reminds me why. Small storage information. An echo. This has come up before, an echo. All right. I keep seeing. Okay, this is the part that's kind of driving me crazy because I keep seeing this and I don't know how it works. It's more goldy. It's like, more like that. There's two of them. And then there's something here. This is important. This is important. Okay, this is definitely technology. I can't spell. Technology, space technology. This is human tech watching. This one's going to tell you something important. This is going to tell you something important. What is this thing? This is like a telescope? Kind of. More like a sensor. Not quite a telescope. More, I can't spell. More like a sensor or a probe. This, what's the relationship? Future relationship. Not happened yet. We'll see something. But see, in quotation marks, it's more like record information. This is really important. This is like, I don't know what this is. I keep thinking the word diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. Why diamonds? Diamonds. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. And there's a guy. There's a guy. There's a guy. I see a guy. I see a face. Okay. Here's a guy. There's a guy. There's a guy. Got a face. He's got like a big beard. Nice. He's got there's a big beard. Nice guy. Smart. Science. Relationship. Yep. He does something with this. He does something here. Where is this? Where? Where is it? Space? He's saying like like moon rocks or something. Moon rocks or like this is near or supposed to be near like these. Rocks in space. Rocks in space. This is his work. He sees something, but it hasn't happened yet. This is a comet of Sar. It's like a comet. It's a comet. It's just weird comet, but it's got something inside it, an echo. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. I don't know why. Why? Why? I'm not sure. Not sure. Okay, echo. What is the echo? All right, what's his relationship to this thing? Nothing really. None. Not yet. But there will be secrets. But not. Picks up something unexpected. He does. Picks up something unexpected. It's an echo. Echo. Oh, I can't even spell echo. Good God, woman. It's a memory. Like a home movie. Like looking into a magic mirror. More than, I can't spell, more than 3D. There are many dimensions to it. But it is of and about the past. There's an echo. It's above and about the past. Astronomical. It's far out there. Okay, let's try to get some perspective here. All right. Let's new perspective. I can't even spell. New perspective. This is energy and sentience. Forgotten. Echo. Mimicry. It is not symmetrical. It's changing and shifting as it goes, as the thing goes, as I can't spell. Cancel goes. So this is the echo. This is the echo. This is the echo. Yes, echo. This is the message. It's a message. It's an echo. Let's try to draw the echo out. Okay. The echo is like in a thing. It's small. It's really small. It's small. Okay, this is the echo. I'm just going to call it the echo. It's small. I can hold it in my hand. It's so much smaller than the astronomical object tucked inside, bored into, I'm not sure I'm spelling that right, bored into a hole, deliberate. It has kind of energy source, and it just really reminds me of Voyager, like how we sent a probe out and we had those pictures of a man and a woman and the mathematical equations. This, it is analogous. I can't even spell that. I can't spell anything. It is analogous to Voyager, but not human. This thing affects the big object. How big? Oh, huge. Bigger than expected. It's really big. But this thing, it affects the object in some way. It's got a vibration. You can identify it. You can identify the vibration. It's got a particular frequency. Okay, this thing, let's try to draw out the, it's like Voyager, but it's not. It's way more complex. It's way more complex. So it's got like origination point. It shows origination point. This is like a, and I draw it like this. It's like a broadcast. Okay, and this is showing the broadcast origination point. This is like where it came from. Whoa. This is the most interesting. This right here, there's a world in it. The most infrared piece of info I have ever gotten. Thought ball. I need to deconstruct that. I need to do a mapping of the thought ball. I'll get to that later. Okay, origination point. This is a message. Oh my God. It's broadcasting. This is, it's not like TV or internet. It is pure consciousness plus tech to enhance it. It's like you will dream. You'll see. You will experience. This is everything. This is the whole history. It's a whole history. I just have to write this down. Cyanide. Why am I getting cyanide? No, no suicide. No murder. It's my... I don't know. There's probably cyanide atom, like a molecular structure in there or something. I don't think that's important, but I had to get it out of my head. This is broadcast. It's in one direction. You know, it's in a spread. Oh, I can't spell. Out direction. A spread out direction. So if this is the thing, then this whole thing, this whole page is the astronomical object. It's not a spaceship. I just keep wanting it to be a spaceship, but it's not a spaceship. So this is like inside this whole thing is this little device. This is an echo. It's a memory. It's like a thumb drive. It is a memory stick from something, but it has instruction and it's got some kind of self-sustaining power. This power lasts a long time, but it's weakened. Okay. Power is weakened slightly. It's like, still works. It's like this is, goes out in an arc in one direction, This is a message. I can hold it in my hand. This is like, it's inside this thing. There's like somebody made a hole and installed it. Whoa. What the actual heck? What the actual heck? Okay. Okay, this is really getting weird. This is getting like weird even for me. Now, I am going to, I need more paper, new perspective. There, I spelled it kind of right. New perspective, 49526877. It's the echo again. This is the most important part. Okay, the most important thing I need to know. What is the most important thing I need to know? This thing is the most important thing. The object is just like, it's like a hitchhiker. It's not a hitchhiker, but they used it. This thing, this diamond. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. All right. This is the most important thing I need to know. There is a device. It is technology. It is ancient. It is somewhat, slightly weakened. Will not last forever. I can't even spell forever. Will not last forever. Radiating. Energy source. The whole thing is not an energy source. Energy source is dead center. It's energy source. It's like it's decaying. It's smaller than it was. And where does this come from? You know what? That's what set this in motion, is what is most interesting. It's got a and if I could draw things up in the air, I would. It is radiating, but there's a void. There is a void. There's a void. I need a good void color here. I guess I could use black. I use this. This is the void. There's no echo. There's no echo back here. There's only echo. This is like, okay, this is how much is that? I need to know that. I need like a pen for this one. Okay. $175 degrees. 175 degrees. But on all axes, that's the echo. Ish. Approximately. I don't think that's exactly, but I think it's pretty darn close. All right. Is it sending out? Radiating, I get. Is it sending something out? Is this sending something out? Yes. Yes, but it already arrived a long time ago. So whatever it sent out, human? Earth got it. Earth got the message. They don't get it. They don't understand it. It's not words or pictures or video or math. It's not even math. I mean, there is math here. But what this is more like, it's like a frequency. It's a frequency that does something. Oh boy, this is like... It's a frequency that does something. It gives you dreams. This makes no sense. I can't even spell. Gives you dreams or ideas or sense of wonder, a memory of something you could never have known. This is really hard to make sense. I have got to decode that thought ball. I have got to decode the thought ball. This is inside of an astronomical object, like a comet, or maybe a meteor. No, it's too big to be a meteor. Let me go back to comet. Oort cloud? No, doesn't come from the Oort cloud. Asteroid belt? No. It's like the center. It's like toward, it comes from the center. The center of what? The center of the spiral. It's decaying. It's like a warning beacon, isn't it? It's a warning beacon. That's what it reminds me of. It's a warning beacon. Warning bacon. Warning beacon, not warning bacon. Warning beacon. It's a warning beacon. It is. It's a warning beacon. That's what that is. It's an echo. That's what it reminds me of. Like a lighthouse. Like a lighthouse. It's a warning beacon, like a lighthouse. But not in a bad way. All right. I need to go to origination point and decode, map out the thought ball. Okay. I am going to take a break. It is 11:27 a.m. Okay, I'll take a little break. Thank you for watching. Next video is going to be a compilation of my students' work on this same experience. You will be amazed.